Hi friends, welcome to our channel Neon Forge. We'll be hosting a series of educational videos related to English language, spoken English and the basic grammar rules. Come, let's get into the English language world. We shall first see a brief history of the language. Now, English is a West Germanic language that originated from Anglo-Frisian dialects brought to Britain in the mid-5th to 7th centuries AD by Anglo-Saxon migrants from what is now northwest Germany, southern Denmark and Netherlands. English as we know it today came to be exported to other parts of the world through British colonization. With the development of computer and online environments such as chat rooms, social media, expressions and apps, and the adoption of English as a worldwide lingua franca across cultures, customs and traditions, it should not be surprising to see further shortening of words, phrases and sentences. Basic English grammar rules play an important role in learning English, both written and spoken. Without the grammar rules, you can sometimes make yourself understood with short and simple expressions. There are hundreds of grammar rules, but the basics refer to sentence structure and parts of speech, including nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverb, preposition, and conjunction. Grammar is the foundation for all of our writing and speaking in English. Having a solid foundation makes it easier to achieve fluency. Developing a solid foundation in English grammar will not only help to create our own sentences correctly, but will also make it easier to improve our communication skills in both spoken and written English. Now we'll get into the different grammar rules. First is the parts of speech. Parts of speech are the classification of words categorized by their roles and functions within the structure of the language. Parts of speech encompass everything a language has in itself. In English grammar, the 8 major parts of speech are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Now we'll see what the nouns are. Nouns. The easy way to remember nouns is that they refer to people, places, or things. Even intangible or abstract concepts like ideas or thoughts are things. In the following sentences, the nouns are highlighted. Sally doesn't use an iPhone. The earth is not the center of the universe. Michael is a good boy. Melbourne is the best city. So the highlighted words are classified as nouns. Next comes pronoun. A pronoun is used to refer to a noun or a noun phrase or nouns or noun phrases. Instead of the repeated use of the same nouns or noun phrases, pronoun is used. Pronouns are words that replace nouns like I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Pronouns need antecedents. That means that the thing or person or place that the pronoun refers to needs to have been mentioned already by name somewhere earlier in the sentence or paragraph. For example, Michael is a good boy. He gets up early in the morning. In this sentence, the second sentence is talking about Michael and they have used the pronoun he to refer to Michael. Thank you for watching this video. We shall continue the parts of speech in the next video. See you. Bye.